Peter here. I'm going to show you Series 1 Drobot and Series 1 Sonic Boom. These are both a Skylander from the Skylander Spyro Adventure. They also work on Giants, Skylanders Giants. And let's get them open. So we're going to do Drobot first. So you get this little paper thing. Don't need that, don't need that. So you get his card. He has 40 for strength, 75 for shield, 60 for speed, and 45 for luck. And he has this thing. These are stickers, and he has the code for the internet. And here is Drobot. He's a tech element. He shoots lasers from his eyes, so it's pretty cool. He has a lot of detail on his wings. There. And let's open Sonic Boom. That was much faster. Sonic Boom. So we have the card. We have the code and sticker and sticker. And here's Sonic Boom. Okay. Drobot is a tech element, and Sonic Boom is a air element. So, thanks for watching this quick little video. Bye. Hi guys, Peter here. I'm going to show you Series 1 Drobot and Sonic